Box of birds.
Box of birds.
Grade 4.
Yep.
Right.
I'll follow.
No, you'll.
Getting off the bike, so don't wait for me.
I won't. So I'll let you lead until you stop, and then I'll go past you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So there's no rush, George.
You're just trying to get a money shot.
Yeah. So take it real easy, okay? Box of birds. Yep. Looks good. Feet up. Oh, gear change. Under pressure. That's good. Roll them. Lovely. I love the sound of those brakes. Ooh, big slip of the rubber. So grade 4 is a bit more bumpy, it's not as smooth, more rooty, unkept. I'd say grade 4 is the same as a grade red back home in Scotland. Scotland. Thank you, George. It's rained the last few days, so we've got a bit of water. Oh, trees down. God, look at that view. You'll never be able to see it, but great views of the lake.
Oh, the lake.
Yeah, I know, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sun shining. You ready?
Yep.
Pretty good this one so far.
Yeah, no.
Oh, I've got half a tree. Oh, shit. All right. Sorry, just getting half a tree out of the back of my wheel. Okay. So that's... Okay, we've got easier option. Okay.
Easy.
That way to the right.
Okay, I'm going easy.
Yeah, I'll go easy with you, George.
Really? No, you go hard.
No.
You want to get some good shots on you. Sure?
Yep, you first, mate. Do exactly what you've been doing. Really good.
Hitting those great cars.
You put them there for a reason, George. Yeah, just hit the helmet on some branches. I didn't see them. That's nice roll, George. Yeah, a bit more front brake. Trust your front brake a bit more, just a bit more. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. How cool is this?
No, you be around there, is it?
No, it's not that way, it's that way.
Yeah.
Straight ahead. Little bridge. This is cool as toast. Oh, you just gotta love this.
Walk down this way.
There you go, you talked me into it, George. How's that? I'm walking down as well.
You jump.
Jump my ass.
You good?
Yep. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. I think it's this way, caution. Easy option, go left. Go left. I've fallen down. Can't get my bloody pedals right now. Gonna hit a pedal. Slippy, slidey, slippy again, slippy, slidey. Oh no, he slipped out. I'm gonna die. Oh, this mud now come a bit looser in the wet. Oh. Oh shit. That's a drop and a half and a quarter, isn't it? Oh, oh, kick my back ass around. Nice one. Oh, nearly took my shoulder off. Got a shit, pedal strike. Hope yours is having an easier time. And that was steep. That was steep and hairy. Hairy canary. I was having kittens. I feel the need. Yeah. Whoops a daisy. What the fudge? Scared the shit out of me before I got here. Could have ridden it. Really can't see much for the leaves, which is a bit of a bummer.